Hello everyone, welcome to a session on marketing management at Lord's Institute of Technology and Lord's School of Business, one of the premier institutions which is imparting education and creating leaders all across the world. It's my privilege to work with Lord's Institution and present to you a course on marketing management. My name is Nomaan Majeed and I will be taking you towards a walkthrough of what is marketing management in specific to promotion management. Let us start together and understand what exactly is marketing. The father of marketing is Philip Kotler. As we all know, he is a guru of marketing. He defines marketing as a social and managerial process where we understand the needs and wants of the consumer and give them products of value in exchange for money. In the definition, it's very important to understand this definition in three steps. The first step is that marketing is a process. It's a 24/7 process. So you have to understand that if you want to understand marketing, 24/7 you have to keep your eyes open on the market if you are selling your products or services in the market. Marketing happens for two things: products as well as services. The process which marketing does is a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want to creating and exchanging products of value with each other. Now, the difference between need and want is very simple. Need is a feeling of felt deprivation. Want is a feeling of satiable, one after the other, it comes happening. So, marketing says that when one want is over, another want crops up, but needs are continuous. So, in order to understand marketing definition, please refer to Kotler definition, where I repeat again, it's a social and managerial process. Again and again, I repeat, process. So, in one step, it's a social and managerial process. The second step, where when we say we are the marketeers, understand the needs and wants of a consumer. So we marketeers understand first the need, second the want of a consumer. After understanding them, give them products of value in exchange for money. Give them products of value in exchange for money or making profit. That is what the definition of Kotler is there. Okay. Now, this is a simple model of marketing process. How do we understand marketing process? We go to the market, you see what is the need in the market. If you go in a supermarket, let's take an example. When you enter the supermarket, there are need-based products and there are want-based products. Let us say food, clothing and shelter come as needs. Anything else are wants. So when you go to the bread, the perishable sector, or when you go to the milk, they are need-based, 24/7 they are there. When you go to a perfume sector or a cosmetic sector, they are want based. So when you go in any market, you understand the market on the basis of 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion. And then you look into the segmentation, targeting and positioning, which my colleague will also discuss with you. But currently we are understanding the marketing process model. Second one, once you understand the marketing process model and the marketplace, the second step in the model is defining a strategy for a market. How will be your marketing strategy defined in the market? So you have to select a customer, you have to select a target market. As I repeat, 4 P's and STP is marketing. The whole world sums around these 7 words: 4P and STP. What is 4P? Product, price, place, promotion. These all have to be in sequence. You cannot take place first or put product next. First is the birth of the product, then you define the price of the product, then you see where to sell, which market to sell and how to sell. Then finally, you will be taking the promotion of that particular product. So after doing the 4 P's, you will be building relations with CRM, customer relationship management. Customer relationship management always helps you in the growth of the company. And when you are creating profits, brands and customer equity are very important. What is a brand? A brand is something which occupies the space in the mind of a consumer. Tomato is a vegetable. Ketchup is an outcome of that tomatoes. So if tomato is a product, ketchup like Maggie ketchup or you can say Heinz ketchup is a brand. So Heinz is a brand and tomato is a product. So what marketing does is that converts the products into a brand with the marketing process. Now, this is a five-step marketing process. The same stages that we studied here are being discussed in a very simple diagrammatic stage, understanding the marketplace, designing a customer-oriented marketing strategy, and all this, building this. These are the steps of marketing process. Now, when we talk about market in marketing, market is a place where we buy and sell. Very simple. So if you look at any market, whether it be India or America or Saudi Arabia, there exists a market. So it's not a market where it's only one place. The market itself is divided into four segments. It is geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral segmentation. These segmentations help the consumer as well as the producer of the goods to identify where to buy and sell the products and services. The four markets that we have defined here are consumer markets. Example, soft drinks, cosmetics, air travel, as I said just before. Then there are business market, which are also known as marketplace. These are digital cloud-based markets. These are Amazon, Flipkart, Google, and Facebook. Global markets like Apple, Samsung, or Oppo. Non-profit and government market, universities, charities, government agencies. These are various. Coming back to the crux of the whole discussion, what we have to do is that when you see any ad, you see that, okay, this is advertising. And then you'll be thinking advertising is marketing. No, advertising is not marketing. Advertising is only a single string of marketing. Marketing is way beyond advertising. So advertising is part of a promotion mix. As I said to you, marketing is four P's here. Plan the program of four P's: product, price, place, promotion. The last P is what we are going to discuss. That is the promotion mix. This is the promotion mix what we are going to discuss. Promotional mix consists of advertising, selling, direct marketing, sales promotion, and public relation. Now, this is a very, very important part because all of the universe, every single human being is being influenced by media. So media is divided into above the line, below the line, and through the line. So let's start first with advertising. So advertising is of three kinds: above the line, below the line, and through the line. Now how do you define advertising? It can be a paid or unpaid form of non-representative promotion. So examples are broadcast, print, internet, and mobile. So you can promote by either goods or services by advertising. So advertising, what you see on the television or outside the hoardings or the billboards when you are driving, they are known as above the line. They are high cost, high value. Anything you see in print in the supermarkets or wherever you buy something, printed things are known as below the line. A mixture of above the line, below the line, and digital is also known as through the line advertising. So the first element of promotion is advertising, which we addressed just now. Now, the second element is personal selling. Here it's written selling. Actually, it's personal selling here. The personal selling is something when you go to a supermarket and somebody comes to you and asks you to taste some fries or try to taste a chocolate or a cake. They give you samples to use as detergent at home, or they give you some perfume to smell it. That is one-to-one, person-to-person selling. Advertising, no person is involved. Sometimes person is involved just for awareness. But in personal selling, 100% person is involved. So advertising you can see on the television, you can see advertising, you can see on the television, you can see on the YouTube or wherever. There is promotion happening, but in personal selling, a person sells directly to a person. That is why it is known as personal selling. Example, incentive programs, trade shows, or any kind of presentations that are sales presentations from a person to another person. The third part of promotional mix is direct marketing. What is direct marketing? When you open your email, you will see that somebody has sent you an email. Please come and buy this. We are running this percent discount. You can take the example of Myntra or Flipkart or Amazon. They keep on sending you because you registered with them. Unless and until you don't unsubscribe them, they will keep on sending you direct mails. So this is known as direct marketing. So the third element of promotional mix is direct marketing. Now we'll go to the fourth element, that is the sales promotion. What is sales promotion? Sales promotion is something which is of two kinds. One is consumer sales promotion, the other one is trade sales promotion. In this, what will happen is that when you go to a market, you buy something. If you buy an oil, you will get rice free. If you buy a chocolate, you will get a biscuit free. Okay, that is, you are trying to sell one element with another element. That is known as sales promotion. Or instead of product to product, you will be getting something which is known as freebies. If you buy this one, you will get a free coupon. Sometimes what you will have, you will get promotion inside the box, 20% extra. So sales promotion is of two kinds: business sales promotion to consumer and sales promotion to trade. Consumer sales promotion is of two types: POP and PIP. Will say promotion outside packaging and promotion inside packaging. Anything that is wrapped outside the package is known as promotion outside packaging. Anything that is inside the packaging is known as promotion inside the packaging. So this is what is sales promotion. When we target sales promotion to the consumer, we also target the resellers or the customers. Who are the customers? The customers are supermarkets, Reliance supermarkets, or let us say Ratnadeep supermarket. These are the people, the brands will go. So if Surf Excel or Ariel or Colgate Palmolive, they want to sell something, first they will give discounts, 10% discount, 15% discount on invoice. So this sales promotion is given to the trade so that they get benefit also. So a brand or a producer of the brand will always have their own strategy in sales promotion for a consumer as well as for a customer. The last one, but not the least one, is public relation. Public relations is all about building good relation, press, media, sponsorship, events, and maintaining web pages. In public relations, you are constantly interacting and communicating to the public that listen, we are this brand, we are doing corporate social responsibility, we are helping planet Earth with organic products and stuff. So this is what is all public relations is all about. It's more of a press release, media, magazines kind of stuff. Now, methods. This is sales promotion. Now let me take you to classification of advertising one by one in detail. The function is to inform, to remind, and to persuade. The last one is very important. That is to persuade. National advertising, international, local, and regional advertising. Target audience, again, as I said, consumers as well as industrial advertising. This is the classification of advertising. This is the definition of advertising. Now, this is the definition of sales promotion. Is a marketing strategy which business uses a temporary campaign to offer to increase interest or demand in its product. What are the various ways of sales promotion? Price discount, sampling, bonus packs, extended credit terms, loyalty programs, and contests. This is this is very important. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. That's the role of public relation. How you make them feel. These are the types of public relations: news, speeches, buzz marketing, mobile marketing, written materials, public service activities, website, etc. You see, this is a diagrammatic illustration, the importance of PR. What's the importance of PR? Develops loyalty, promotes goodwill, builds trust and credibility, creates brand image and reputation, increases awareness. So any company who wants to do PR activity, they will get these benefits out of their PR activity. This is the elements of personal selling, face to face, as one person is selling to another person. Persuasion is also happening in advertising as well as personal selling. But here there is face to face interaction. There is one person to another person. There is flexibility. There is promotion of sales. There is supply of information. There is mutual benefit on both sides. So it's a win win situation in the personal selling aspect. Direct marketing, again, as I said, coupons, direct mail, direct selling, telemarketing, email, etc. That is direct marketing. Now, let us take the case study of Nykaa. It's a marketplace and it's a startup started by Ms. Falguni Nair. Okay, a very famous startup, especially in the cosmetics. So I suggest you all to go to a case study of this particular website on written over here, lapas.com, or just you can type Nykaa business model and understand a case study. This is a case study where Indian cosmetic market industry was totally, you know, based on traditional aspects of business, and how people used to buy cosmetics was traditional. But Nika came up with a business model, a startup which started selling online marketplace, all kinds of cosmetics. It became a super hit, and especially it's a woman-driven project, so it also promotes woman entrepreneurship. It's a very good case study where you will understand the marketing model of Nika. I request you to take a look at the marketing model of Nykaa brand, and it will give you further insight how Nykaa became a huge startup, a profitable startup driven by women and always inspiring. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate that. Have a good day. Bye bye.